Morning and Jai Hind. My name is Manya Singh of class 10th H, and this video is for the DIY project, and I will be making a solar cooker. Aim for this project is to make a DIY solar cooker which uses sunlight to cook food. Materials required are a box, black chart paper, thermocol, aluminium foil, clear plastic wrap, glue, scissors, ruler, black marker and tape. Procedure is: take a box and thermocol and measure the length, width and height of the box. Cut the thermocol in 4 pieces, 2 for the horizontal sides and 2 for the vertical sides. Cover all the pieces with aluminium foil. Make sure that pieces are covered properly. Arrange the pieces in the box properly so that the inner sides of the box are totally in contact with the thermocol. This will not let the heat escape. Now take a cardboard for the bottom of the box. Mark the extra part. Using a ruler, draw a line to mark the extra part. Cut the extra part. Cover the cardboard with a black cloth or a black chart paper. Paste the cardboard at the bottom of the box. You can increase the size of the box. Cut the side flaps. Cover the main flap with the foil paper. Cutted flaps must be pasted with the main flap. This will reflect the sunlight so that more heat is collected inside the cooker. Try to keep the foil wrinkle free. Paste the side flaps.